Mike is going to be happy with that.
Okay, let's see if we can just do... $12.57. That was awesome. This thing's so strong now. So it's a MAF sensor, which I replaced, and she's going like a bloody train. Whew. How's that? Bloody hell, $12.50. Under $11.90 you went. That's awesome. What was the 195 60 foot, 8th mile, 8.1 8th mile, 1050 over the 1,000 foot, 1257 quarter mile. That is bloody awesome. Yes, power.
High five for a 12.5.
Oh, you saw it?
Yes. I was like, what? Oh. How good is that?
It's strong, eh?
12.5. Imagine what's going to do in winter.
I know. With headers.
Yeah.
That's another 40. That's 40 horsepower back wheels.
Bloody hell. That's good.
This is a low 12 car now.
Yeah, for sure.
We could do a 4 tonight.
Hey?
I could do a 4 tonight if it cools down.
12.4? Yeah, for sure. Yeah, yeah.
It
Hell yeah.
changes gears so bloody hard. It goes bang, bang. I've got a broken engine out and I go, oh, should be right.
Oh, really?
Sorry, mate. Sorry.
That's awesome, dude. Mid-12 in this thing is pretty much stock standard. Very quick. He just gave. He just ran 100 and nearly 113 mile per hour, and he top-ended an FG XR6 Turbo, an NA 5 litre with a catback exhaust, and I think an intake pump. Pretty impressive. I'll be happy with that.
Okay, everything's on, nice and cool. 55. I think that was good. Yes, 113 mile an hour. What the hell? Okay. Wow, 113 mile an hour. Yes! This thing's got some poke. Oh my gosh.